needle threader is important for threading needles because it has a very thin wire which penetrates easily in the eye of the needle. So when you're using a needle threader, you insert into the eye of the needle. Then you come with your thread. And you insert into the threader, and you pull a little bit to allow you to pull the needle threader. Pull slowly because the wire can easily come out. You see, it's very thin and weak, so you don't use a lot of force. And your needle is threaded, ready for you to use. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Your comments are important to me because I can use to make the upcoming videos. Bye.